This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your mouse pointer speed in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your mouse pointer speed in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Mouse and click on Mouse. And then right up here towards the top, you can see it says Mouse Pointer Speed. There's a little slider off to the right of this. The further you move this slider to the right, the faster your mouse pointer is going to zip around. The further you move it to the left, the slower the mouse pointer will move. That is how to adjust your mouse pointer speed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.